everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making another salad. It will be a very easy tuna egg salad. You can enjoy this as a salad just for lunch, or you can actually put the salad on top of a piece of bread, so you can make like a tuna salad sandwich. So to start, let me show you the ingredients. Like I said, very easy and simple. We're going to need some tuna in a can. You can use one packed in the water or in oil. I just prefer the one in oil. I like how it tastes much better to me than the one packed in water. So we're just going to use this kind of tuna. You're going to need some green onions. So we're going to use 3. And also some boiled eggs. So these eggs we boiled for 8 minutes after the water boiled. And we just peeled them and just rinse them under the water to make sure there's no peel left. Because of course you don't want to have any crunchiness in your salad from the peel. And the last thing you're going to need is just some mayo, any mayo you like. This is Hellmann's with avocado oil. So that's actually all the ingredients. So just 3 ingredients and some mayo. And like I said, you can dress it up on a piece of bread. Just put a lettuce leaf on your bread and you can put the salad on top, or you can eat it just as a salad. Usually we just have it as a salad. So I'm going to be making mine in a bowl for you. So to start, let's just cut up the onion. So I'm just going to cut in half, place on top of each other, and then you just want to slice it. Okay, so the green onion is sliced, just put it in the bowl. And of course, if you wish, you can add some dill or parsley or even maybe cilantro if you like it. But I just want to keep mine pretty simple today, just without any extra greens except the green onion. So now let's just cut up the eggs. So the eggs, you just want to cut them pretty small. So I have basically like an egg cutter. So I'm going to use this just to cut up my eggs. Really speeds up the process. So you put the egg in the egg slicer. You're just going to slice it like this. And then turn it this way and slice it again. Now you can turn it vertically to make the pieces even smaller, but I like my egg to be on a little bit bigger side in the salad, so I'm just going to leave it at this. So just slice all your eggs. Okay, so that's the eggs in here. So for 1 can of tuna, you want to use about 4 boiled eggs and 3 onions. So now let's just open up the can of tuna. And I did drain most of the oil. Of course, it's hard to drain all of it, but a little bit is okay if it's in a salad, no big deal. So what we're going to do is just break it down with a fork like this. And now just add it to the salad bowl. And of course, the last step, we're going to add a tablespoon, a little bit less, because this is not a huge salad, of mayo, just to dress it up. And then we're going to mix it and I'll show you up close. Okay, so this very easy salad, but very delicious, is ready. Let me show you up close. So this is a tuna egg salad. So we have some canned tuna in olive oil, which I drained, some green onions, as well as some boiled eggs. And just for the dressing, we have some mayo. So that's everything. So I hope you try and make this salad. Like I said, you can enjoy it on a sandwich, or you can just eat it as this, as a salad. And it's pretty filling because of the eggs and the tuna. So I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my other great recipes. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye!